In this video, we'll look at creating a single job on one of our pipelines. We'll also look at starting the job, stopping the job, and then deleting it. We know the pipelines are published and we have no jobs running against them. So we can go ahead and simply create a job on one of the pipelines. To create a job on a pipeline, we need to link it to the pipeline name, and we use the build method on the Job Builder class to help specify this. Here, we're referring to the pipeline SDK training pipeline. So we've extracted the details of that pipeline, and we've stored it in a pipeline instance, which we're then using to attach our job to. We also need to specify the data collector for running the job, and that's what we're doing here. The data collector has a labeled dep name, which is myNewDep1. So we know that this will use our data collector we've created as well. The addJob method will then create the job in Control Hub, and we can then start the job using the startJob method. We have to wait 60 seconds at least for metrics to be gathered against the job. So we've got a print statement here that says wait 60 seconds, and then we sleep for at least 60 seconds. We then extract the metrics from the job instance, and we store it in another variable called job metrics, which we then print out. Regarding these statistics being gathered, if we look at the documentation here, we can see in the job monitoring tabs it says, statistics and metrics are saved to Control Hub every 1 minute by default. As a result, you must wait at least 1 minute to see data in the summary tab after you start a job. This is why we're waiting 1 minute to see any metrics appearing. So let's run the program. Creating the job, starting job, and now waiting 61 seconds to capture the job metrics. We'll speed this up, and you can see we've captured some metrics against our pipeline with an input count and then output count. Let's have a look in Control Hub at this job. So here's our job instances. Let's refresh. We have a job for first pipeline with labels, and we can see that the job is currently running. We could monitor the job and do all the normal things you can do in the UI. Now let's look at stopping and deleting the job. This is quite simple. We use the stop job and the delete job constructs respectively. Let's run this program to carry out these commands. Stopping the job, deleting the job, and done. Checking Control Hub, job instances. We can see there are no job instances found, so the job has been removed. Thanks for watching.